Hey there, I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you around my new Skool community. It's called AI Automation Station. I just launched this about 2 weeks ago and it's growing fast. I was inspired to start this community because I've recently started building out AI automations to save time and money for my own business. And now I want to provide value and just teach other people how to do the same thing. I've just recently launched a new YouTube channel as well, where I'm posting a lot of tutorials, and I'm also including these in this community as well. So it's growing fast. I've got almost 200 members in here. Like I say, it's completely free, so there's no barrier to entry to joining. And I'm also potentially going to start running some Facebook ads to get more people in here faster as well. But if I scroll through here, you can see people are already starting to introduce themselves, and I'm just growing the community. I've already got three new introductions today. This is actually Marcelo, who's a Facebook friend. He introduced himself in there. And yeah, he just wants to save time and money for business. Here's another guy, Jamie, also, I believe, a Facebook friend. He introduced himself. Another guy, Vasil here, Raphael. So I'm really just kind of trying to get engagement up and get people meeting each other inside the community. And yeah, as you can see, here's another one. Diogo also introduced himself. Taj introduced himself yesterday. And you can just click on this and read what this guy, this short introduction from him. And I'm also doing my best to always respond to everybody very quickly just to get engagement up in the community, which means it will grow even faster. So a lot of people are just finding it through Skool itself. They provide the marketplace, and you can easily come up here to discover new communities. There's a lot of different AI communities already on the platform. So I've got some competition, but I'm also getting more involved in a lot of those communities as well. As you can see here, I'm in a lot of different communities, and I'm just providing value in all of these different communities, which also helps my own community to grow as well. So if you're interested in launching your own Skool community, let me know. I'd be happy to help you however I can. And as you can see, it's already profitable. I've made about $500 in the community already through upsells in the classroom tab. So basically, it's free to join. And then if they want access to the paid programs, courses, digital products, those sorts of things, they can buy them within the classroom. And it's already paid for itself now. Skool is $99 per month. And yeah, I'm past the free trial now, so already profitable. And yeah, from here, it's Discover. It's already on page 6 in the tech category, so it's definitely moving up fast, which is good news. And if I come over to my classroom tab here, you will see this is my classroom tab. It's very professionally designed. I used a tool to create these thumbnails, which they're very professional, right? So people want to click on them. And a lot of these are paid, but some of them are free. I just put this one together today. It's called Start Here. And I actually modeled it from another Skool community from a successful guy. And I actually need to update this real quick. So I'm just going to click on Save here. And now if I refresh it, it should show all of the different ways to browse products right there. So they can easily browse all of my products from here. And I've also got this tab, which goes over the guidelines, and then it asks them to introduce themselves on that community post. And then I've got some things about the different automation tools. This one's completely free, of course, just to get people interested in the community and how they can get more involved. And then I've got this one right here, which is basically just step-by-step tutorials. These are completely free because they're already available on my new YouTube channel. I was posting them on my other YouTube channel. I decided to just create a new one, and that's where I'm going to be putting up a lot of my free tutorials showing how to get started building out automations for your business. And then I've also got how-to guides, which is also free. These are just short little tutorials showing how to set up some simple automations for your business. Very straightforward. And I've also got the course. So this beginner's course is, I believe, $39. So if they want to buy that, that's an upsell. I've got automation templates that I've built out, which you can basically just slap right into make.com. I've got 10 different templates in here. This one's available for $97. And I've also got a bunch of different in agents in here as well. I don't know, at least 20 or 30 of them. This one's available for $197. I've already got some sales of this one as well. And an ebook, group mentorship calls, AI consultation call, which is $150. And then also my high ticket coaching program. So this one's $19.97. Obviously, I don't have any sales of that one yet, but I think as the community continues to grow, I can get more people into the coaching program and then also buying my courses, templates, and those sorts of things. So if you're interested in joining AI Automation Station on Skool and just getting involved in the community to start and maybe start learning how to build out these automations for your own business, you're welcome to drop a comment down below. I'd be happy to send you over the link, or you can just go to Skool and search for AI Automation Station. It will pop right up and you can start getting involved in the community. Always looking to get more people in here. So let me know if you're interested in the comments below. And with that being said, take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand.